as your team is growing, it can be hard to say, where can I make an impact? Like, where should I? Do you have anything that you use, like spider sense, to figure out where you should be?
So, I know where you're going with this because there's a lot of ways of doing it, but you got to have data, man. Spidey senses can help. Intuition is great. And generally, those Spidey senses or intuition should lead you back to some level of data. If you're talking at the organizational level, right? If you're really at the edge or like individual contributor level, as an engineer, your intuition can help you rapidly like solve an issue or create a code solution that's great, right? That happens all the time. However, at an organizational level, when you're dealing with a lot of different people, it comes back to data. And so having information available to you that you can see that there's something that's being measured that's just instinctually taking too long, or there's a delta on a particular team. And so there's a lot of disparity between how long certain things are taking for different teams. That could be a signal that you really need to dive in and look. Like there's a lot of different ways of seeing that, but one is just variance, right? Like one team does it like the similar types of activities at a much different rate than other teams, whether it be longer or slower. If it's slower or if it's quicker, right? So if it's very slow, you might want to dig in and figure out like, well, why is this team, what's going on here? Is it the type of work? Is it the process? Is there something that's different, novel? Or if there's an outlier that's going way faster, it's like, oh man, how do we make that the new standard, right? So I would say having information and data so that you can see disparity, you can see different things that are happening on your org and in your team can really point out some places where you have either or, like friction opportunities or accelerant opportunities.